On September 3, 2024, in Rhine, Wisconsin, officers were dispatched to a school after reports that a woman had kidnapped her own child in an effort to avoid losing. He had flown from Arizona to Wisconsin in a desperate attempt to evade legal consequences. Unbeknownst to responding officers, she was about to cause far more trouble, right in front of her own child.
I'm Detective Schuster with the Caledonia Police Department. We need to talk. You two need to come outside.
Okay.
You can stay here.
Okay.
Please outside.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
The people the officer asked to step outside are Michaela's parents. Take note, they'll be watching everything that's about to happen through the door.
Hi, Carson. I'm Detective Schuster. How are you? Good. Good. We got to have a conversation. You want to close that door, LT?
Okay. Hello.
Assuming you know what this is about.
Huh? Yeah, with the dad and all that.
Yeah. Would you mind taking,
Can I just
What's
do
going on?
like the assessment I have to do with him?
No. With Carson real quick, would you mind just going in there?
Sure.
Carson, would you mind going with your teacher for a second?
We're gonna go look and we can play a game down here, okay?
Obviously,
We know.
it's not like you missed a court date or something.
In Arizona, because they told me that they were going to take him from me at the courthouse.
Okay.
So I was not going to fly out there and then have my son be taken from me.
Okay.
I currently have an OP against Connor right now. My mom does too for harassment.
In Wisconsin?
And, yeah, in Wisconsin.
Okay, because you missed court, they gave full custody to your ex. So, right now.
How is that possible? Because he's like a felon.
There's a court order
because you didn't
for
show
it.
up to court.
Because I never actually got served. I didn't even know about it. It's supposed to be over
Well,
there.
I'm not going to argue with what's going on in court
So they got full
in Arizona.
custody. So we got to take you into custody right now.
No, I can't.
Yeah, it's going to happen. So
No, how is that? No, I
just
cannot do
relax.
that right now.
Relax.
No,
Relax.
I can't go into
Let's
custody.
listen.
It's my son's day. It's my son's day.
Relax.
No, I'm
relax,
at the school.
Relax.
I have seizures.
Michaela,
No,
you're not listening to me.
no, it's my
Listen.
son's day.
I don't want
I'm
to
not going to
traumatize
jail.
him.
I'm not
You're
going to
going
jail.
to
Why am I
traumatize
going to
him.
jail? Why am I going
You're
to jail?
going to traumatize
what's
your
going
son.
on.
Relax.
No, tell me what's going on.
Relax.
With my
we
mom,
already
please.
told you.
No, why am I
We
going
already
to
told
jail?
you.
We'll look at your
Relax.
parents.
You can't take
Relax.
person. No, my parents can. You guys No, you guys can't do that!
Remember, Michaela's parents are still observing from just outside the door, and they're about to make a huge mistake.
Back up! 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 We are the police. Back up! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out!
I'm getting my glasses.
I don't care. Here, get out.
You're
now.
not doing
Get
this.
out. Get out.
You're not
Thank
doing
you.
this. I have an order of protection against him. Okay?
Officers now have to break the news to Michaela about where her son will be going, without causing her to spiral any further.
We tried to do this peacefully.
I have epilepsy.
Hey,
I'm gonna have a seizure.
call dispatch. We need a marked car here now.
No, why?
All right,
I don't want my
thanks.
son taken.
Bye.
I will never see him again. You don't
your
realize
shoes
this? You don't realize this, sir?
Relax.
I know.
We had this chance. Are these yours?
No, I'll never see my son ever
Okay.
again.
These are hers?
Yeah, I'll never see my
Okay.
son ever again.
Do you have anything else on
Let
you?
me tell you.
I understand what you're saying. I heard you. I heard you.
Nobody's contacted me at all.
Relax. We'll talk about this later. Now's not the
I
time.
go to jail.
We tried to do this peacefully,
I know.
and you didn't.
Because I'm scared.
Well, I don't know what to tell you.
Epilepsy, I'm sorry, I'm scared, okay?
Well,
I don't want my son. My son has to go with my parents, okay? He cannot go away.
he's not. He's
not-
coming with me.
No, he can't.
He is.
No, he'll freak out.
What do you wanna
He
do?
can't. Please, you guys have to understand the situation, okay? I currently have an
Alright,
OP
explain.
against him, okay? Nobody's told me about this, okay?
We're going to go to the police department and we're going to have a conversation about this. Right now, he's a missing child.
No, he isn't.
He's
Yes,
in the
he
system
is.
as a missing child.
Nobody's told me that whatsoever.
That's because you have been in contact with court.
I'm a Wisconsin resident now.
Because you took your son from Arizona without consent.
No, I had a lawyer, and I was allowed to leave the state.
I'm going to talk to your parents real quick. You hang out here with
Have a
Detective
seat.
Schuster.
This is embarrassing.
Have a seat. Well, we told you.
Nobody told
Sit
me
down.
anything. I'm
Sit.
not talking to anybody.
Stay there. Don't move. Everything's good, okay?
Okay.
Just a little longer.
Okay.
Carson. You should have went to court. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. You should have went to court.
But be told that my son was going to be taken from me at court?
Well, he probably wouldn't have been if you had gone to court.
My son cannot be taken from me right now. We're just starting school. We're just doing everything. I'm a good
You
mom.
hear? Well, we need some type of marked cage car.
She's in custody. Things are calm now. She was fighting, but things are calm.
Sorry, I got wasn't scared.
Get me somebody as soon as possible.
Sure.
All right, bye.
I'm sorry, you seem mad at me?
I'm not mad at you. I'm disappointed. I didn't want to do this in front of your kid. I tried very hard not to do this in front of your kid. This is not what I wanted to do.
Why did you guys meet us at my apartment? I've been there. I've been staying there.
Milwaukee's been to your apartment before.
No, they haven't.
Okay, well, I'm not going to argue with you about things that have been done, and we're not going to discuss it here with your kid in the next room.
My kid can't go with that.
He's going, whether you want him to or not.
Damn.
He is. It's going to happen.
He's going to Arizona with them.
He's going to go to Arizona.
No, he can't. He can't.
I'm sorry.
Oh, he can't. I would never see him again.
We have more details about the aftermath of this incident and how Carson's custody rights were impacted. Our team has been in direct contact with the father himself. But first, this officer is about to run into some unexpected problems.
Much I can
They're
do.
trying to take him from me. They're the real people that are trying to kidnap him.
There's not much I can do.
Why?
Because my hands are tied.
How?
Court order is a court order.
I will call my mom.
No, we're done with that. I'm not going to give you any of the courtesies.
Why?
Because you fought with us.
What?
Because you fought with us.
I'm sorry.
Hi, this is Schuster from Caledonia. Remember I called earlier? I need an agent to come out to Gifford Elementary. I explained it to the other lady. There is no report. There will be a report. We have a missing and endangered kid from Arizona.
No, he's not endangered. He's not missing.
And I need you guys to come out and take custody of him.
No, no.
Okay, well, now I can't do that right now, but I need someone to come out because there's only two of us and everybody else is on a PI accident.
Wait, we to do this later so I can talk with like the district attorney?
Sure,
Paperwork with them and I have.
we'll talk about it later, not now,
But my kid can't go with them right now.
not now,
He'll be taken.
not now. I know this is a lot, but we tried very hard not to do this way.
You'll never see me again.
Okay, I'll give you some basic information. What do you need?
More officers arrive on scene while the original officer is still on the phone.
PD, please. I got CPS on the line. They make me make a report now.
Somebody search you already?
Yeah, we patted her down.
But we're not gonna facilitate.
You want a
that
rescue
right now.
squad to come check you out?
No, I just my son.
Well, if you say you're gonna have a seizure, so I'm telling you right now.
No.
I mean, you having a seizure is not gonna help you see them
know,
faster,
I
right?
know, I'm
Okay.
fine, let's just go.
So I wanna know which one is it? Are you fine or are you gonna have a seizure? I don't have much information for you.
Thanks, boss. Carson can come out here, and you can do your assessment if you'd like.
Carson was taken into the care of Child Protective Services and was eventually reunited with his father back in Arizona. According to statements from the father, Michaela had originally taken Carson from his school in Arizona and fled to Wisconsin, where she hid with him for nearly 8 months. During that time, Carson was reported missing and a felony warrant was issued for Michaela's arrest out of Arizona, ultimately leading to the body cam footage you just saw. Others stated that, as a result of her actions, Michaela lost all custody and parental rights. Interestingly, the school in Wisconsin where Michaela attempted to enroll Carson flagged him as a missing child, which prompted officers to Wisconsin court records indicate she was later extradited back to Arizona. She is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.